application will pretty much greet you with the allow storage option for it to pretty much load up all the musics on your device. As you can see here, these are all the musics currently on my device. I'll be able to play in one of these. Let's say, for example, I don't want to play this because of the copyright and so forth, but you get to understand it. But as well, you can tap on the search option to search your device if there's any other music that you're not seeing as well. So that's another option as well. So while navigating through the application, you may see some ads if you have internet connection, but if it's offline, you won't see any ads. So that's really pretty much it for this application. So nothing much outstanding or nothing much that per se. You can also create your playlist. I'll have to just tap on the playlist option at top at the bottom here, and then pretty much add new playlist and give you your playlist a name. And pretty much add your music that you want to be added into your playlist section. So as I said before, you're going to encounter a lot of ads, so keep that in mind as well. So once you've done that, pretty much can add your songs that you want in your playlist.
Breaking news!
So that's pretty much it for that. Nothing much, very easy to use, and you can tap on the little key icon and also allow the background play option as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very simple to use. If I still don't understand, you can pretty much comment below as well if you have any questions. You can tap on these three dots down here to pretty much add to your playlist from this section here, and as well delete these songs. So very easy to use. And as I said before, if you have any questions, comment below. See you in the next one.